is the best time to do meditation? Anytime. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, 24 hours, anytime. And which is the best posture? You sit here in the chair, sit on the floor, whatever. One thing is, cross your feet, cross your fingers, close your eyes. You don't have to sit erect and break your backbone. No. Sit happily, comfortably. Sthira Sukham Asanam. The posture should be firm and comfortable. Sthiram and Sukham Asanam. So, just cross your feet and cross your hands because 10% of energy flows through that fellow, 10% through this fellow, and 80% through this fellow. So, when it grows, 80% is conserved here when you cross your fingers, your 10% is bigger, when you cross your feet again. So 100% of your energy is conserved. Then you observe the breath. The mind becomes empty and it becomes open and cosmic energy enters. So your energy is not lost outside and outside energy enters inside. So the whole energy gets charged up in the body, charged up. And what happens? The caterpillar becomes a butterfly. Artistic living becomes holistic living. In due course.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.